In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to create and customize a QR code using Corel Draw. First, go to Object, then click on Insert, and select QR code. Let's zoom in a bit using the scroll wheel. You'll see a Properties sidebar on the left where you can customize your QR code. I'm going to choose URL for this QR code, but you can also choose options like email address, phone number, SMS, contact, and more. I'll paste my URL, which is a link to my YouTube channel. Let's check if the QR code is valid, which means it's scannable. I'll click on Validate. Great, it's valid. Let's press OK. Let's customize this QR code. You can add any image or logo you want. Go to File, select Import, and then click on Import Image. Drag the image to position it, and place it in the middle of the QR code. Go back to the QR code properties, and let's check if it's still valid. Unfortunately, this personalized QR code is not valid. But no worries, I know what the issue is. The imported image is covering too much for the QR code. Select the imported image and make it smaller. Place it back in the middle. Now it's valid. So, if you encounter this error, just reduce the size of your logo or image. You can also choose a color for the QR code. Select it from the drop-down menu or click on the eyedropper tool and pick a color from your imported image. Before saving, let's validate the QR code one more time. Yes, it's good to go. You can save it in any format you want. Go to File, click on Save As, give it a name, and choose the format. I'll choose PDF. Then press a Save. Now you can place your QR code anywhere you want, whether online or in print. You can also scan this QR code with your phone's camera or by using an app like QR Code Scanner to see if it redirects you to my YouTube channel. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials.